know, glamour has no age. Today, I thought I'd show you the summer solstice palette that I picked up. It looks like this. Probably seen a million reviews on it, but I figured we'd try it on and see how it looks and performs for me. I'm gonna take my blending diffuse crease brush from Sigma. I'm gonna go into this brown color here. There's only 2 mouths. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 metallics. 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers. Let me tell you the weight. Doesn't say. Oh wait, 5 ounces, 1.5 grams. You can get this on Sephora's website, and I believe you can also get it on Ulta. I've already primed my eyes with the MAC Pot Painterly. So far, the mats are applying really well. Then I'm going to take my small precision blender from Sigma, go into this color right here, and put that in my outer V. Then I'm going to take my, what is this? Medium sweeper from Sigma. And I'm going to go into this brown shimmer right here and put that on the eyelid. I'm going to go off camera and put on some mascara. That's it. That's the end of my video. It helps if I give you some thought. I like this palette. It has 6, 7, 8, 9 shadows, which I feel is enough for a summer palette. Looks like that. I like it. I like the look that I got out of it. I could see myself using this again and again. It is limited edition. I bought it full price, which I shouldn't have. But I like the color story in it, so that's why I paid full price for it. So if you like videos like this, consider giving it a thumbs up. subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!